In this video, we look at the divergence of the platinum and palladium prices over the past 6 months. Canadian Mining Report is not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. While the price performance of platinum and palladium from May 2022 to around September 2022 were roughly similar, with both seeing a slight decline, from October 2022 their performance diverged considerably, with platinum consistently rising and now up 16% over the past 12 months, while palladium is down 23.4%.
This has been driven by a major demand and supply shift for the two metals. The platinum market had been in deficit from 2019 and 2020 and shifted to a peak surplus of 1.2 million ounces in 2021. But this surplus contracted to 0.8 million ounces in 2022, and the World Platinum Investment Council expects the market to move into deficit by 2023, which has been driving up the price of the metal. In contrast, the palladium market has seen a declining deficit from 0.6 million ounces in 2019 to 0.2 million ounces in 2021, and it moved into a marginal surplus in 2022, which is expected to widen in 2023, putting downward pressure on the price. On the demand side, the largest driver for both metals is their use in auto catalysts to reduce emissions from vehicles. But for platinum, demand is much more diversified, with auto catalysts at just 32% of the total, and jewelry, petroleum, and chemicals and investment demand also major drivers. For palladium, auto catalysts are almost the entire demand, at 86% of the total. This has specifically put pressure on palladium because there's been a shift in the auto industry with a substitution towards platinum and away from palladium for a use in auto catalysts, which has doubly hit palladium given its large reliance on this segment compared to the more diversified demand of platinum. On the supply side, over 75% of the output for both platinum and palladium come from South Africa and Russia, although platinum is much more reliant on South Africa, which is 65% of supply, than palladium, with South Africa at only 31% of supply. Platinum's higher weighting to South African supply has become a major factor over the past year because of worsening power outages in the country due to issues at its state power utility, limiting supply at the same time as demand is increasing. In contrast, palladium supply is much more weighted to Russia, where supply has been reasonably robust in contrast to earlier expectations that its ongoing war in Ukraine could substantially reduce palladium supply. For more information on platinum, palladium, and other precious and base metals, and junior miners involved in these sectors, click the link in the description or bio below to go to www.canadianminingreport.com.